Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple hair growth treatment you can make and use on your hair. If you struggle with hair loss, you have hair thinning, baldness, flaky scalp, dandruff and all sorts of hair and scalp problems, this treatment is going to help you. So keep watching, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. So the first ingredient we will be needing to make this treatment is rosemary. As you can see, I have dried rosemary leaves that I will be using, but you can also use fresh rosemary if you don't have dried one. So right now I'm gonna transfer some rosemary to a glass jar. I'm going to use any amount that will be enough for my treatment. Just use any amount that will be enough for you. So once I'm done adding the rosemary into the jar, I'm going to be using hot water to infuse it. I like to use hot water because it helps to infuse the ingredients faster without wastage of time. So I'm gonna stir it a little bit and I will cover the rosemary and let them infuse for about 12 hours. You can also leave it to infuse for more than 12 hours, maybe 24 hours for better infusion to take place. Moving on to the next ingredient, I'm going to be using aloe vera. I'll be using one fresh aloe vera leaf. So before I proceed, I'm gonna cut it into smaller cubes, and then after that I'll go ahead and wash it. Aloe vera contains a yellow substance called latex, which can be irritating to the skin, so it is important to rinse your aloe vera thoroughly before using. Most of the time I like to infuse it in water for about 30 minutes in order to get rid of all the latex. Once I'm done rinsing it, now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the outer skin and remove the meat which I'm interested in. So my aloe vera contains large amount of water. So I'm just going to transfer the aloe vera into a blender, and I'm not going to add any water since my aloe vera contains water. So I'm just going to blend the way it is. So after blending, now I'm gonna strain out the aloe vera juice. I'm using a piece of cloth. Just use anything you have. You can also use a strainer to strain out. Once I'm done straining out, I'm going to keep it aside and proceed. So after 12 hours of infusion, this is how the rosemary water is looking like. Now you can see the color is dark brown. All the infusion took place and it's just 12 hours. So now I'm gonna strain out to get the rosemary water. I hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point, and if so, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. So once I'm done straining out all the treatments, now I'm gonna mix them, and I'm going to stir it using a spoon until everything mixes completely. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer the treatment to this small applicator bottle. I don't have big, so I'm just going to use this one. Just grab anything that you have and transfer your treatment. I made quite a lot, so I'm just going to use it for like 3 to 5 days. So in case you make a lot of treatment, you can keep it in the refrigerator for about 5 days and then dispose the rest. Into the application, I'm going to apply the treatment when my hair is still twisted. So I'm just starting on my scalp first before I move to the hair strands. Once I spray the treatment, I use my fingers to give some massage on my scalp so that the treatment can penetrate to the hair, to the scalp. It is always important to massage your scalp every time you are applying any treatment or oil. Massaging your scalp will help to stimulate blood circulation, and increased blood circulation will help to make your hair to grow faster as well as increase hair thickness. So that's why it is always important to give some massage on your scalp. You can take like 5 minutes and massage that area once you apply any treatment. So once I'm done with my scalp, I'm going to be applying the treatment on my hair strands. I make sure that each single section or twist is well saturated with the treatment. This treatment will help to increase hair thickness, to stop hair loss, to prevent bald spots, to prevent flaky scalp and dandruff. So if you experience any of the problems I mentioned, this treatment will help to stop all those. So you need to start including it to your hair care routine if you've never used it. I used just 2 ingredients, but they are powerful and effective. So do not hesitate to try this treatment. Apply it to your scalp and hair. And most importantly, take time to massage your scalp. As you can see, I'm doing it. I always massage my scalp every time I do any application, either oil or spray. So you can use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week if you want it to work effectively, and do not rinse it out. I use hair growth sprays as leave-in treatments. I never wash them out unless I'm doing pre-poo. So leaving the hair growth sprays on your hair will make your hair to grow faster as well as increasing hair thickness. Once I'm done with applying the treatment on my entire hair, now I'm going to follow up with applying hair butter in order to seal and lock moisture. It is important to always follow with oil application, a hair butter, or your favorite leave-in conditioner so that your hair stays moisturized for a few days. We are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I will see you in the next.